What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to remove the CapCut Pro subscription from your phone. Whether you're looking to save money or simply no longer need the premium features, this guide will help you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. Locate the CapCut app on your smartphone. Tap to open the application. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon or account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Within your account settings, find the option labeled Subscriptions or Manage Subscription. Tap on this option to view your current subscriptions. Locate the CapCut Pro subscription in the list. Tap on it to view more details. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or Unsubscribe. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Ensure that your subscription status is updated to reflect the cancellation. Removing CapCut Pro from your phone is a straightforward process if you follow the steps. Remember to verify that your subscription has been canceled and consider exploring other free features offered by CapCut. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.